Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to solve another Leetcode medium problem, and this is part of our DSA revision series, and today we are starting solving graph related problems. So yeah, without wasting further time, we can jump into this problem. 0 1 matrix. So given m by n binary matrix, binary means it should have either 0 or 1. Return the distance of nearest 0 for each cell. So for example, this is 0, and for the cell answer should be 0 only, because nearest 0 is itself. Similarly for 1, nearest 0 should be 1 in any direction. The distance between two cell sharing is common edge is 1. So for example, these two cells are sharing one edge, then distance is 1, something like that. So yeah, so this is a straightforward problem where we can utilize maybe BFS and initialize the search from each 0 with the initial counter as 0. So yeah, let me quickly write the solution only. So first thing is we need boolean visited. So boolean visited, and before that let me mat dot length, and m will be mat dot 0 dot length. Okay, so new boolean n comma m, or let me change these variable for better. Okay, so this will be m by n matrix again. Okay, next thing is listed is sorted. We can start a loop for int I equals to 0, I is less than m semicolon I plus plus. Similarly, j loop, int j is equals to 0, j is less than n semicolon j plus plus. I'll check if mat of I and j is equals to 0. If it is, I can add it to my queue. So let me initialize queue as well. So q will be of type integer, q new linked list. Okay, so q is initialized, so I can add into q dot add new int I j and 0. Okay, in else case, what I can do is I can simply initialize. Okay, answer we also need to initialize. So we can set answer. Hmm. So one more thing I should do before jumping to this, that yeah, answer of ij integer dot max value, because we need to calculate answers for this, and initial value is max. So let me quickly initialize answer as well, and answer equals to int m comma n. Correct? Yes, yeah, good. And int directions as well, new int, because we need to iterate into all four directions. So yeah, so 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1, because we need only four directions. If we are moving diagonally as well, then we can add four directions as well with the 1 1 minus 1 1 and others, something like that. So let me start my while loop. So actually BFS is starting here. So while q is not empty. Okay, so I'll remove the queue element. Okay, and so this is 0 already, and I'll check for all the element int dir. Let me rename this to dirs. Okay, so yeah, I can mark current element as visited and update the answer with whatever the max value I'm getting. Okay, yeah, so two more things before moving to that mark this current element as visited. Visited of cur of 0, cur of 1 is true, that current element is visited, and we can update answer as well. Answer dot 0 mat dot min, whatever answer already has, comma cur of 2. Now for each direction I can add those element to the queue. Queue dot add new int. Okay, I need to make sure if direction is valid or not. So let me quickly compute the coordinates. For example, int x will be what? It will be this current of 0 plus dir of 0, and y will be current of 1 plus dir of 1. Okay, now we can check if x is greater than 0, greater than or equals to 0, and x is less than m, and y is greater than equals to 0, and y is less than n. If these are the condition, then I can add the coordinates like x comma y comma cur of 2 plus 1. Yeah, so for example, these two index I'll add 1 1 and in my queue, something like that. And I reach this for 1 1 1, and it is infinity already, so it will update it to 1. Okay, and at last of this loop I can return answer. Yeah, let me quickly run it. TLE visited is marked already. What I'm missing? Okay, one crucial condition. If it is already visited, then not added, and not visited. Yeah. Yeah, so let me quickly try to submit it. Yeah, so in this video we have solved this problem, and I hope you liked it. So stay tuned for more such video, and I'll see you in the next one.